California dreaming about you. California dreaming about you.
So hello guys, in the previous video we learned how to embed a label to the window. In this video we shall be learning about buttons. As you understood, we have various pre-built classes available which we can use to embed our UI widgets to the window. So in this case, for the buttons, we are having the JButton class as part of the Swing framework. So first of all, let's create a new project in our IntelliJ IDE, leave everything as it is and create project and name it as buttons, and that's it. Location is perfect and everything is being done for us. And first of all, in the search, right click on the search directory, new Java class, name it as buttons. Okay, now first of all, let's create the three imports: java_x.swing.asterisk, java.awt.start, and java.awt.event.star. That's being used for the event handling, but not significant here since we are not dealing with event handling yet. Okay, so let's type in those boilerplate codes. First of all, the constructor which gets automatically called on instantiating our buttons class, which has the same name as our class. Okay, now finally the main method, static void main, which takes an array of strings where we can instantiate our buttons class. Simply GUI equals new buttons. Okay, that's it, and everything's not fine yet. We have to clear that typos there. That's fine. And now this class should also extend the JFrame class as well, so that it gets all the properties and methods available in the JFrame class. The first statement in the constructor should be the call to superclass method, and which sets the title of the window. And title of the window for this case will be simply buttons. Okay, and the set default close operations, you might remember the JFrame dot exit underscore on underscore close. Okay, that's fine. Then we are having the set size or set visible. Now ordered priorities there, 400 as usual, and we are having the set visible. Should set it to be true so that the window will be visible. Also the set resizable function as well, method. Okay, so functions are actually referred to as methods in Java, so turn it to be false so that we can't resize the window anymore. Now let's talk about the buttons. So that, as I have mentioned earlier, the JButton class is pre-built there, pre-written there, which helps us to embed those buttons to the graphic, to our window there. So we can instantiate an object of the JButton class. Let it be B, simply B. Instantiate the JButton class, and it takes a single string parameter, which is the string that should appear on the button. For this case, let it be click me. Okay, then we can add it to the window as well using the add method, and supply the parameter as the button object. Before that, we should also set the layout, but first of all, let's build the project and look how it looks without the layout, without the flow layout. Run it. Okay, run buttons.main. I think everything's fine. Only building the project. Okay, as you can see, without the layout, it looks horrible. The button covering the entire frame, which is not intended. So we should set the layout as, if you set the layout to be null, then nothing will display. So the flow layout, we shall give the object of flow layout as a parameter to the set layout method, and that solves the issue. What happened here? And now if we run this code, everything will be fine. We'll be getting a button there. As you can see, we got a tiny little button which we can click on, but nothing happens since we have not dealt with event handling yet. So we shall create one more button there. We shall name this as B and the next one as B2. Can make the changes here too, and we can instantiate the next button as well. b2 equals new button, and the text may be me2, so that the button else to click that button too. Let's add it to the window using the add method, passing the object as parameter. And now let's learn one. First of all, let's look how it looks like. Have a look. Everything works fine. Some errors are going on there. JButton actually. Okay. Okay, everything looks fine. Okay, now everything has been working fine. That was the problem. Okay, now we have got two buttons which is just dead since nothing happens when we click on that button. Now we can send something cool. We can add a hover text. Now for that we have a method called set Tooltip Text available. Now after instantiating, we can call that method too. We have set Tooltip Text and pass in the parameter, say string parameter. What should appear when we hover over the mouse, that message will be displayed. Hover over the mouse over the button. So just mention to the user that if he clicks this button, what will be happening. So if we click, if for this case nothing is happening, so let's simply notify the user with that message. For clicking the button, a message will be displayed. So b2.set Tooltip Text and pass in the parameter of the same parameter, nothing happens. Okay, and that's it. Now if we run this code, first of all build the project. Compilation completed successfully. Now let us run it, and as you can see, when we hover over the button, you can see a message has been displayed which shows nothing happens, and so the user can infer from this message that what will be happening when I click on this button. And so that's something pretty cool, and everything is pre-built, pre-cooked for us, and we can use the pre-built, pre-written methods, and everything has been done already for us. And that's the usage of all these frameworks and stuffs. So, and that's all for this video. Make sure that you subscribe and also leave it a thumbs up and a comment. And if you have any ambiguities or doubts, please mention them in the comment section as well. And I'll be also uploading the project to GitHub and linking them in the description area, and have an eye on it. Now that's all for this video, and thanks for watching.